for a good cause, obviously. Let me show you what's going on with your forecast here. Clouds and radar not showing anything on top of the entire state. We are dry. Dew points very low. A live lake outside. As Sally mentioned, this is our Indeed domain camera. I was just looking at that start time for Sunday's Austin FC LAFC game. That's going to be late kick 7:45, but luckily the weather looks to cooperate here in Austin by the time we hit this weekend. As far as the wind gusts this morning go, 15 to 25 miles per hour, if not even some locally higher spots here. Those winds started yesterday behind the cold front, and they're going to rip this afternoon. We've got high pressure to the west. We've got a trough to the east here, and that pressure gradient is really going to be felt across Texas today. Temperatures 50s for most. This is just the beginning, y'all. Yes, it's colder by a good 15 to 25 degrees. Wait till tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, coldest air we've felt since springtime. Today is going to be a much cooler afternoon. 69 degrees. That's close to about 20 degrees cooler than yesterday. We've got plenty of sunshine out there, but I just think the winds are going to be such an issue today that kind of detracts from the fact that we are so much more fall-like with our temperatures. A wind advisory is in place until 7 p.m. We've got 20 to 30 mile per hour sustained winds. Those wind gusts could get up to 50 miles per hour. So there's going to be a lot moving around today. Dust, pollen, any loose objects you've got in your front and backyard. Let's bring those close to the house, if not inside, because I think you're going to be fishing them out of your neighbor's yard. If not, even this evening, we've got some gusty winds before eventually those winds relax tonight. Wildfire risk as expected when you're talking very dry air, in addition to some strong gusty winds. We've got very high to extreme fire danger. Humidity not quite as low locally. Very dry air to the south. The red flag warning is actually to the south of us, but still, it's going to be a day we have to be very careful. Tomorrow morning, look at these overnight lows. Widespread 30s and low 40s, flirting with that 32-degree mark and some of those spots in the hill country. So if you do have sensitive plants outside, bring them inside. Don't take that risk, especially if you're in a low-lying spot. I think it's possible we see a light freeze with these temperatures trending colder with the new data this morning. 69, sunshine and windy today. We drop to the 30s and 40s tonight. Tomorrow, still on the cool side in the afternoon. Low 70s with sunshine, but lighter winds. And we go back down to the 30s and 40s to start Halloween morning. Sunshine Friday, highs in the 70s. Low chance of a few spotty showers with a cold front on Saturday. Does not look to be much. We'll stay with the 70s and sunshine Sunday through early next week. Tommy?
All right.